Comparing expressions. This is part of lesson 2.3. I already did a little bit of the other part with you, but this is one of the ones that I wanted to take a minute and show you separately. So when you're comparing and writing expressions, that means I'm going to write a problem. So 5 times 2 is an expression. So what we need to do is we need to actually look at the words in the sentence and write the numbers that go with it. Okay, so a lot of this page is going to be writing and then comparing those expressions. All right. All right. The way that we're going to do this problem is we're going to start by reading it. So find the sum, and we know that the sum means answer of an addition problem. The word sum, this is a vocabulary word we've done since like literally day one. Sum means answer to addition. So the sum of 13 and 7, that means I'm going to add 13 plus 7. Then subtract 5. That means the second part of my question, I'm going to subtract 5. Make sure you pay attention and read the questions before you really write things down, though, because sometimes they're going to tell you in different orders, okay? Number 2, multiply 3 and 4 and divide the product by 6. That means I have to find the product before I can divide it. So I have to multiply before I divide. So 3 times 4 divided by 6. All right. Add 138 and 127 and multiply the sum by 5. So multiplying the sum means I'm going to add first. Great. 138 plus, that should be a plus sign, 127 times 5. All right. This is one of those tricky ones that I told you was going to happen. Divide the sum. Well, do I know the sum yet? So I can't do anything until I find the sum. Divide the sum of 45 and 35 by 10. So I have to divide something by 10. So before I do anything, I have to find that sum. 45 plus 35. And I'm dividing it by 10, which means the divided by 10 goes to the right. All right. This next one is, again, a little bit tricky. Add 300 to the difference of 926 and 452. What do I have to do first? I have to find the difference. How do I find the difference? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. You're going to subtract. So you could write it like this, 300 plus. If you write it this way, you must put parentheses. 926 minus 452. There you go. All right, compare the two expressions. So I noticed that this expression and this expression both have the same numbers. But this one is multiplied by 2. So which one is bigger? And why? I would answer this question. The first expression, and I'm using the word that's right there for me. The first expression is double the second expression. Because it says times 2. That's what I would write. Looking at my next one, 367 times 42, 367 times 42. But the difference is this one you subtract 328. What would you write here? I want you to pause, write what you think you should write, and then come back and check. All right, you should be back now. I would write the first expression is less because you subtract 328. That's how you do that problem. All right. Write an expression that represents the cost of the 2 shirts at each store. So, half off t-shirts, regular price $14. So if I'm doing half off, that means I'm dividing. So 14 divided by 2 equals what? What is 14 divided by 2? Then I'm going to, because it says I'm buying 2 shirts. Then I'm going to take that times 2 because I'm buying 2. So 14 divided by 2 times 2 is going to be 14. This one is going to be 8, 2 shirts, some times 2. What is 8 times 2? 16. Which store has the better deal? Shirts, and I'm looking right here for the title, are us is better because you get 2 shirts for $14. Not $16. I would take that as an answer. You get 2 shirts for $14, not $16. That's how you write expressions. That's how you convert them. Please, please, please use this to help you as you practice other things. Make sure you're reading very carefully to figure out what you need to do first. Make sure you're using parentheses to make it happen first. All right, have a great day, guys.